For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing my new Givenchy Antigona Mini. I'm also going to show you what fits inside, so it's sort of like a review slash what's in my bag video. So this is my latest designer purchase. If you saw my previous video where I unboxed my Celine mini luggage and I told you about my experience purchasing on Poshmark, it was such a good experience. I bought this one on Poshmark as well, so this one is also pre-loved. And again, I had another really good experience purchasing on Poshmark. The bag was in really good, nearly perfect condition, which I will get into all of that. So once I got my Celine bag on Poshmark and I saw that Poshmark, it was a really good purchase experience. I got a really good pre-loved bag. I knew I was gonna get this one too. So I have always wanted this bag, and I know I said that in my last video about the Celine mini luggage. Don't get me wrong, the Celine bag, that was like my dream bag. And the Antigona was just something that I've always wanted. I've always had my eye on it. Besides the Celine, this was like my second most wanted bag. So the Givenchy Antigona comes in, I think actually 4 different sizes. So you have the nano, which is one size smaller than this. We have the mini, the small, and the medium. So I knew I definitely wanted to get the Antigona in the mini size because I already have a lot of larger bags. I have a lot of tote style bags. So I needed something in my collection that was smaller that I could use for running errands every day. I also don't have anything in my collection like this bag. This is obviously a very unique shape. Let's get into the details of the bag and the purchase. So it did come with the dust bag. The previous owner did hold on to the dust bag, which I feel like is major when you're purchasing on Poshmark. You definitely want to make sure they have the dust bag. They didn't have the tags and the receipts, which kind of sucks if I did want to resell it in the future, but I feel like the dust bag is the most important part. And then this is the authenticity card from Poshmark, just confirming that it's real. So I have mine in the grained leather. The Antigona comes either in smooth or grained leather. Grained basically just means it's a little more textured. And after having it now in the grained leather, I find that I like that way better. I have my Celine in the smooth leather and I find that it scratches really easily, and the scratches are very noticeable. So the grained leather is a lot more durable and better for everyday wear. Let's talk about the color of this bag. This color is so beautiful, so unique. I feel like whenever you see people on YouTube review this bag, they usually have it in black, but this is like a beautiful, like taupey, beige or grayish kind of color, which is gonna go perfectly with my wardrobe. I wear a lot of nudes and tans and beige, so this is gonna go perfectly pretty much with everything that I wear. The name of the color is called Mastic. This color is what sold me. I knew for sure that I didn't want a black bag. I wanted something different, not necessarily a pop of color, but I didn't want just a regular black bag. And I saw this on Poshmark and that was exactly the color that I wanted. And it obviously has the silver hardware on the logo and on the zipper. I'm pretty sure all of the Antigonas come with silver hardware. I think it only comes with gold when you buy it in the croc leather, which is a little different for me. I don't have anything with silver hardware, which I'm not crazy about the silver, but it does have the little drop handle so you can hold it on your arm like this, but it's so small I don't intend on wearing it like that. I mainly wear it as a crossbody bag. It's just a lot easier for everyday wear, for running errands, to be hands-free and not having to hold something on your shoulder. So the crossbody strap is adjustable. There are 3 different holes where you can adjust it. And honestly, I haven't even taken it off or adjusted it. I'm guessing whoever owned this before me was kind of the same size or height, because when I put it on, it kind of just fit me perfectly. And the bottom of the bag does have the little leather feet, so whatever surface you put it down on, it's not going to touch the dirty floor or the dirty germ infested surface. So the Givenchy Antigona is really popular for its big chunky zipper. It's really like a statement piece. So I've watched a lot of reviews on YouTube about this bag, and a lot of people complain about how you attach and hook on the adjustable strap, but I haven't had any problem of it falling off while I'm wearing it, so far so good. I'm going to show you a little bit closer up so you can see, but basically this part has kind of like a little groove or like a little indent, and then this has just a little, kind of like a little opening, and you just have to match those two up and it kind of goes right in. So now I'm going to show you what I have inside of the bag. It is considered a mini bag, but it does fit a ton of stuff inside. So first thing that I have in here, which is the most important, is my card holder. So when I am using this bag, obviously it's a mini bag, it's a lot smaller. I do switch over to my card holder rather than my full-size wallet, which in all honesty, this does fit in here, which I'll show you. So the wallet does fit in there, but just so I can save space, I switch over to my card holder. Then obviously I have my iPhone. This is just the iPhone 11. It's not like the bigger of the iPhones. I have my Purell hand wipes. I have my Purell hand sanitizer. I have my travel mini Lysol because we are still in the middle of a pandemic. I have my little Origins hand lotion because I'm washing my hands so much. My hands are so dry from sanitizing all the times, and it's cold outside, so I always need lotion nowadays. Then I have my glasses case, which is pretty big but still fits in there perfectly. I have my house keys. I have an extra mask because you never know when these things will break. I have my pepper spray because I live in the Bronx and shit gets crazy out here sometimes. I have my Tylenol because I just always get headaches. And I have my little pocket mirror. So I'll just show you close up. So that's everything kind of packed in there. Yeah, it gets a little heavy, but everything fits in there perfectly. It's not like full to the top. So you do have one little zipper pocket on the inside, and then on the other side of that you just have some, I don't know if you can see because the inside is black, but there is like little compartments where you can kind of separate and put your things. The only thing that is a little bit annoying about this bag, which I did see in a lot of the reviews on YouTube, is the opening from the zipper is not really wide. So when I'm putting things in and out of the bag, the zipper kind of does scratch my hand a little bit. But I mean, if you hold it open and take your things in and out, it's really not that much of a problem. So this is how the bag looks on. So I'm only 5 feet tall, but if you are taller than me, again, the strap is adjustable so you can make it longer. But I think this size is perfect on me. It hits me perfectly, like right at the hip. The size of the bag is perfect. It's a mini, but it literally fits all your essentials, all your everyday needs. I love that it's a crossbody bag. I don't own any crossbody bags, so just the feeling of being hands-free and not having to hold a heavy tote on my shoulder, I love it. But I am obsessed with it. I can't wait to wear it more. I can't wait to style it with more outfits. If you guys like my designer reviews, then just comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see more of on my channel, whether it's more designer videos or makeup videos or fashion videos. Comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see more of, and I will see you guys in the next video.